Now, if you ain't watched the last video, you gotta go back and watch it to understand what I'm about to tell you fully. Now, you know in the last video, we made the 11 hundo going from San Angelo, Texas to Sierra Vista, to the Air Force Base. Well, after we dropped that load, went back to the hotel, got some good breakfast in, you know, gotta feed the body. And then we checked out at 11 because there were no loads. We didn't find nothing. So it was time to get the deadheading back home. Because you know me, baby, I'll deadhead in a minute. You're not finna make BG sit nowhere. I will spend the 150 and go home. Well, I was going to the house. I was still looking on the board. And I found another load. The crazy part is, though, I was already heading down I-10 towards Houston. Found the load, got the load, but I had to turn around. We bust the Yui, baby, bust the Yui. So now, we are headed back towards Sierra Vista. Except we're not going to Sierra Vista. We're going to Nogales, Arizona. So I bust the Yui, gotta go back. I got like 96 miles to go to get back where I need to go for the pickup. But don't worry. When I get there, I'm going to tell you what I'm picking up, show you what I'm picking up, and then I'm going to tell you what I'm going. I call that a TST, tell, show, tell. I'm going to tell you where we're going, show you where we're going, and tell you what we're picking up. Yes, we finna go get it, baby. So stick with me. Let me get up this road back to Nogales, Arizona, and I'll pick you up when I get there so you can see where we loaded, and I'll let you know where I'm going. Be right back with you, baby.
Take the next left, then turn left. Turn left, then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right. Take the next right.
Thought about it. And then San Angelo, the Colorado to San Angelo to Arizona. Arizona to here.
This your own thing?
Yep.
You go to a broker?
Yes, it's on the local. We don't have to Just like that, fam. We done. Man. Your boy's beat. Just left Nogales, Arizona, all the way to Arlington, Texas. 967 miles. But hey, we got paid the 1100 again. Back to back 1100. Man, I'll do it every day. That was $1.13 a mile. I will take it. And you know, I told y'all, if you go back when we was all the way in Pueblo, West Colorado, I was about to deadhead home. We ended up getting the road load. If you didn't go back and watch the last video, that was the San Angelo all the way to Sierra Vista, Arizona. We was finna deadhead home from Sierra Vista, like, hey, we just gonna go because we couldn't find nothing. Like I told y'all earlier. And we got this. Now, I'm not gonna lie. While everything has been fine and dandy, I got us to Arlington, Texas, baby. That's as close as I can get it. We finna deadhead from Arlington to Houston, man. That's like 200 miles. We deadheading home. Not looking for no more loads. Your boy is tired. We've had a long week. I know y'all, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you gotta go all the way back. Go back like 3-4 videos when we started the week. When we went from Houston all the way up to Colorado. We done 3 runs this week, baby. 3. Hey, I know some people, oh, the money might not have getting, we started off rough. Nah, we started off amazing. We started off rough compared to what some of y'all say. But I know the fam know we take that dollar. We good. But yeah, man, I ain't even gonna hold you. Just business-wise, because I have not cracked down the numbers. I haven't. Those 3 routes, the one from Houston to Colorado, then the one from San Angelo to Arizona, and the one from Arizona to Texas. 3 routes this week. We made 3,100. The business made 3,100. I don't have the numbers all the way broke down. Just know the business made 3,100. Sounds like pretty good to me. But from here on out, from Arlington right now, back to Houston, oh, we dead heading home, baby. Your boy's finna drive straight there, hop straight in the shower, and then straight in the bed. That's the end of it. I'm not doing nothing else. But man, fam, I appreciate y'all for riding with your boy. Because man, that was a long drive. It wasn't at the dawn. You know, we done more than 900 some miles before. I don't know, maybe because it's the end of the week. I don't know. No clue. But we finished strong, baby, and that's what it's always about. Start strong, finish strong. Everybody starts the race real strong. Then people die out and fall off during the race. It's about how you finish. You gotta finish just as hard as you started in Grand Fam. We finished strong. Now we're headed to the house with another 1100 in the pocket. We winning out here, man. We winning. Don't worry. I seen comments. When I get home, after I get some rest and I'm fool around and rested up, I'm gonna get all them comments done this week. So don't worry. I'm gonna get your comments taken care of. But hey, if you got some more, make sure you add them to this video because I'm gonna reply to those too. But as always, all you new family members, new people, come on over here, join the fam. But as always, man, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share these videos. And man, you better hit that notification bell because even though I'm about to go home and relax and get some sleep, best believe I'm going to get back on that road real soon. And when I do, the only way you're going to know is if you hit that notification bell, baby. So hit the notification bell. But until then, I want y'all to rest, relax, enjoy y'all weekend. If you go and get the bag, go get the bag. But if not, if all else fails, remember to always stay blessed, fam. And I'll see y'all in the next video.